Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to explain the switch statement. What is switch statement? The switch statement is same like if else conditions, but switch statement executes the code block depending upon the resulted value of an expression. Switch statement tests the value of a variable and compare it with the multiple cases. Once the case match is found, a block of statements associated with the particular case is executed. So let's check it out. I have created a script. Here it is. This is the template of any switch statement. Like this is a switch keyword and this is the expression with which I have to check my all cases. When this expression match any one of these cases, the code block will run and the case will be terminated and other cases will not be executed if any case is matched. Now as per the syntax, switch statement contains an expression into brackets. Here it is. Switch statement contains an expression with brackets. It also includes multiple case labels where each case represents a particular literal value. The switch case is separated by a break keyword which stops the execution of a particular case. Also, the switch can include a default case to execute if no case value satisfies the expression. This is the template and this one is the expression. This expression will match with these cases. If the match is found, then the code block will execute. Otherwise, if no match is found, means the default code will execute. And about break statement, if the expression is found or expression is matched, code will execute. After that it will break and other will not be executed. So that's the concept of switch case. And here I have write an example of switch statement. I have taken a character variable. You can take int, string, anything you want. I have taken character variable and assign a value b. Here is the expression and this will match with these cases. Alpha is equal to b, no, this will not be executed. Alpha is equal to b, this statement will run. This will not run, this will not run, this will not run, and just this one will execute. Let's see the result. But I have to call this statement. Okay, now let's check the result. I have to apply my script here. Now let's check it. You can see case A is true and displayed. The reason is that I have printed like this one. This is C. Now we can see the result. Means case B is true and displayed. Now if I will change B to D, now let's see what happened. Okay, D is here, so I will type here E. no condition met, that's why default case executed. So that's the concept of switch statement. Now one question which arises usually is why switch case is better than if. The answer is that a switch statement is usually more efficient than a set of nested if else. The compiler can do this because it knows that the case constants are all the same type and simply must be compared for equality with the switch expression, while in case of if expression the compiler has no knowledge. So that's why the switch statement is more efficient and more faster than if else statement. So that's a basic concept of C# programming language, and I hope you got it. And if you want to get more, then you have to practice more. So I hope you will practice more. And one thing, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye for now.